Welcome to our vocabulary lesson designed to make English learning easy and effective for everyone. Today we're exploring a term that epitomizes swiftness and flexibility. Agile. Agile means able to move quickly and easily. It's not just about physical movement. It can also refer to mental agility or the ability of organizations to adapt swiftly. Let's examine Agile through some straightforward examples. In sports, the Agile athlete performed impressively in the obstacle course. This means the athlete could move swiftly and with ease, navigating obstacles effectively. Referring to animals, cats are known for their agile movements. Here, Agile describes how cats can move quickly and gracefully. In thinking, an agile mind can solve problems efficiently. This suggests that a quick and adaptable way of thinking helps in finding solutions faster. And in business, the company needs to be agile to adapt to market changes. This indicates that the business must quickly respond to changes in the market to succeed. Understanding Agile helps us appreciate the importance of quickness and adaptability in various contexts. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by subscribing. Like, share, and subscribe to help us continue providing valuable lessons. Thank you for watching, and let's keep building our vocabulary together.